You're listening to the CEO's Wing Woman podcast. I'm Olivia Jenkins, your host and strategic partner, helping you elevate your brand to cult-like status. Over the past 5 years, I've helped over 500 visionary CEOs to generate in excess of 70 million in revenue. And now it's time for me to share my tips, tricks, and strategies to help you supercharge your growth. I'm here to help you step into your power to develop a bulletproof business and growth mindset to match. Consider me your secret weapon to scale. Let's get started. The number one mistake I see when it comes to creating a winning strategy is not being clear on what you want. This is the first step. Before you even think about putting together a winning strategy, you need to know what your ultimate business aim is. When you really boil strategy down and you think about what this is, strategy is thinking about your destination, where you ultimately want to be at the end of your journey, and then creating your roadmap, your game plan on how you're going to get from where you are now to where you want to be in the future. Thank you so much for tuning into the show today. If you loved today's episode, be sure to let me know by leaving a 5-star review at oliviajenkins.co. You can also connect with me via Instagram DMs at oliviajenkins.co or learn more on how we can work together at www.oliviajenkins.co. Have an amazing week, and I can't wait to connect with you in the next episode.